Hey there, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your site here, you guys have a great site with some great visuals and good call to actions. The call to actions really help with your conversion rates. One thing I would recommend would be to have some more content on this homepage. Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. And so they are looking through all of the content on your page, seeing what your photos are saved as, looking for what's called keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Foundation Repair Wichita. And whenever your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so it is important to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And you'd want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page here. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. And if we look through their website here, it looks like it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. Starting with the IWP URL, we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 18 and 9, and what's making up their ratings here are the 244 backlinks that they have, and these backlinks are coming from 57 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional with your backlinking. And then they have 1.5 thousand keywords on their website. And so let's go on over to yours here. I have your Spartan URL plugged in here, and you will have 14 and 17. And what's making up your ratings here are the 1.3 thousand backlinks that you have, which are coming from 366 referring domains. And you have 385 keywords on your website. And so you'd want to do is make sure that these numbers are beating your competitors. And the way that you boost those would be getting those high quality backlinks. And then you'd want to make sure that all the buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for are on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into your competitors' backlinks and link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of the keywords that they're ranking for. They have basement repair, 100 people are searching for that every single month. Foundation repair, 90, 90, 90, 400, 90, and we can just keep going through here, finding more buyer intent keywords that apply to you, and there are just pages here. And so in order for you to get more traffic and customers for yourself, you would want your Google business profile ranking, so have more citations there, as well as getting your website ranking as well. So have high quality backlinks linking to your website so that you're boosting that trustworthiness and authority rating above your competitors. and having quality content to support those buyer intent keywords. And so I hope that you found this video valuable. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.